everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed my boring, thin hair to this long, voluminous, bouncy, super shiny looking hair. Want to know how I did it? Just keep on watching. By the way, this video is in partnership with Goo Goo Hair. Goo Goo Hair Extensions are one of the best hair extensions out in the market. They are 100% Remy hair. They're very easy to use, very sturdy, and so I really love using it. For the longest time, I've actually been scared with hair extensions because the first time I tried a hair extension, I remember I got it from the mall and they said that it was real human hair. But while I was styling it, it just really felt so fake. And after a few use, like I can really see how damaged it was. I cannot even comb it properly because there were all tangles. But with these hair extensions, honestly, the hair extensions look so much healthier than my real hair. It was very easy to use, very easy to comb out. It's just amazing. And I know how sometimes it can be overwhelming to buy hair extension online. First, because you really don't know what hair color you're getting, and second, you don't know the quality of it. But with Goo Goo Hair, you can actually get a free sample swatch, so you could check if the extension match your own hair color and test the hair quality. Here's a little unboxing of what Goo Goo Hair extensions have. So it comes in this very pretty round box, and it has a clip and your clip-on hair extensions. So this is the hair extension that I was sent. So I got it in the color Natural Black 1B. And then I got it in the 16 inches length. As you can see, you can select a lot of colors, and also you can select your length, whether you want it shorter or longer. These are 100% Remy human hair, and as you can see, it can really hold curls well, and it can really tolerate heat. Actually, I just feel like it's just my natural hair. When I'm styling it, the feel of it just doesn't feel and look like extensions. It looks like my real hair. So here are the steps that I do to put on these extensions. So first, make sure that you don't have any tangles on your hair. So brush your hair with a detangler. Also brush the hair extension wefts to make sure that there's no tangles on the extensions as well. And then separate a straight thin section of hair at the nape of your head. And then use the 3 clip weft clip-in. The color blended so well, like without the cut, you wouldn't even notice that one is my real hair and one is extension. That's how good it is. And my god, I feel like the Remy hair is healthier than my real hair. It feels really nice. And then you separate another section above it and make sure that the weft is in the center. So clip the center first and then go from right to left or left to right. And then you just repeat the process. So there's 1 4 clip weft. This is what I use on the top of my head, like the crown area. That's where I put it. And then on the side of my hair, I put in the 2 clip weft in the middle of the side of my head on both sides. And then at the very top, I put the 1 clip weft on each side. And here's the good thing with the clip-on extension. So when I was putting on the clip-on extension, I noticed that I'm missing some on the bottom of my hair. So I added two clip weft on each side of my hair, like at the very thin section at the bottom of my nape. Like a section of very thin layer, and then I added 2 here. So when you're putting the extension on, the basic rule is always find like the middle and then just clip side and side, just so you know you're putting the clip extension evenly. But a lot of us has different hairstyle. Like I have very layered hair, so I would see some parts that are missing hair. So just customize based on your hair and hairstyle. So if you see any imbalance where this side is thinner than the other side, just add on a 2-clip or a 1-clip weft just to fill the gaps. That's a good thing with this clip-on. It's easy to put on, but it's also easy to unclip and just adjust based on where you want the fullness of your hair so that it looks more balanced. Now I have it on, I styled it with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. It's so easy to curl. It just curls very well, and also it didn't smell at all. While I was curling it, I didn't smell any burnt smell. It's just the easiest hair extension I have ever applied. Honestly, if I wasn't filming, I feel like putting this on and curling my hair wouldn't take more than 15 minutes, to be honest. It was just so easy to clip on. The clips are very sturdy. Like, I can really feel that it wouldn't go anywhere even if I like tug my hair, like, see? And it's because it has a very sturdy clip. And can you see how glossy this hair is? So this is my natural hair, and this for sure is part of the extension because I don't have this long hair. Can you see the difference when it comes to texture and shine? Like, you can't really see the difference between the two of them. And if you can see a difference, I feel like the big difference is this looks way healthier than my hair actually. Like, can you see that shine? It's very shiny. But the shine that you get with this hair extension is not like a synthetic shine. It really looks like a healthy human hair. I think that these hair extensions are perfect for people like me who always want to change their hairstyle, always want to go have a haircut or do something different with their hair. At least now, if I miss my long hair, I just need to clip this hair extension on, style it, and I'm done. It's very easy to use. And Goo Goo Hair has a gift for all my viewers. If you use the code ALL15, you will get 15% off their products. So don't forget to visit them at googoohair.com. They have so many styles to choose from. Here are all the options that you can have. And if you have any questions that I didn't cover on this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.